out of the frustration to the injuries of his woeful and scandalous performance in the last 4 years. We are not unaware that Mr. Gboyega Oyetola, by his refusal to grant our party the required permission to use the facility, was just only testing the waters of the large-scale violence is planning against the state. We want to assure him and his cohorts that it will be mashed. Any attempt to subvert the electoral verdict of our people will be resisted as bona fide residents of the state. It will not be in the interest nor that of the entire country to undermine this resolve. While we call on President Muhammadu Buhari to be awake about the crisis Oyetola is brewing in Osun State, we call on our people not to be discouraged by the defeatist antics of Mr. Oyetola and his baby vuvuzelas, noisemakers. This election is not just about PDP or Senator Jackson Nuri Adeleke, but for the good of our people and humanity in general.